All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's the final product. Basically, how they this is how they look like now, and as you can see, they're both of the pedals are now wrapped with a carbon fiber, and it's not so bad. If you look closer, you can definitely see some imperfection, but in most cases, it's not so bad. I mean, once I have them on here, they should look just fine, and they look a lot better for sure once I have this on. I just didn't like the way the aluminum silver look on this steering wheels, given that everything here is pretty much carbon fiber, and also dark piano black motif here. So I figured I'll go with the carbon fiber look. I didn't want to buy the $150, $130 paddles that are being sold in eBay, but you know what, this might do, and I'll stick with this for now and see how it goes. So far it looks pretty nice, I would say. Stay tuned, I'll show you the video of how I have wrapped this paddles. It was my first time doing it. I've never wrapped before, and yeah, it was a big challenge, but hey, it's a good learning curve. I've learned a lot just by doing it. So anyways, check back to you in a bit. Alright guys, here's the two pedals that I'm gonna be wrapping here. I'm gonna start with one of them, of course, and here's the vinyl wrap that I'm gonna be using to wrap this baby. And so yeah, we'll go from Alright guys, this is the final product. As you can see here is the wrapped finished paddle, and here's the other one. You see a big difference between the two. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Yeah, no, can't wait to get this other one completed as well. And yeah, I can't wait to get this thing going. There's a bit of a bubble here, but hey, not too bad overall. It looks pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. It's worth the time and effort for sure, learning how to do the wrapping here. So anyways, check back to you in a bit. Okay folks, sorry for the video quality on this. So basically I'm just using my cell phone to tape this, but I'm installing these two paddles now. What I've done was I pretty much just put a Gorilla tape right on the paddle face here, and so what I'll do is I'll just peel that off and stick it in here. There was a 3-bolt that's basically it's on the edge of where the paddle will sit, and due to the wrap I can no longer access those per se. So what I'm just going to use 3M tape or a Gorilla tape. I'm going to be using the Gorilla tape and see if this will hold, and we'll see how it goes from there. So I'll just test fit it first and see how it looks. Make sure that it's sitting nicely there. It doesn't look that bad. So let's try. I'm gonna try the left side first. Let's peel this tape off. It's always tricky to get this tape off. Alright, here we go. So moment of truth and see. I'll need a light here to just make sure that just gotta give it a good press. Make sure that it's right on there. Well, it's not moving, so it should be all good. Yeah, and then we'll try and get the second one here. Likewise. There we go, stick it in nicely. It's on there nicely, so I don't think it'll ever move. Ah, well, as you can see guys, it's pretty much done here. Alright, so here's the final product. As you can see guys, it looks nice. I'm pretty happy with the result. It's not so bad at all, considering I've only spent $16 at Canadian Tire to get the carbon fiber vinyl, and yeah, it's not so bad. I'll do a better video here next time I take the car out for a spin, and yeah, I'm just doing this inside the car. No natural light whatsoever, so I got a flashlight here with me, holding it in my hand. But you know what, I like the end result. It matches my carbon fiber paneling here. It just does gives it that nice look to it, better than the silver looking paddle. So anyways, thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like my videos, subscribe if you haven't yet, and yeah, I'm really hoping that I could be of help in many ways that I do, and doing all these DIY videos for you. I'll stay tuned for some of the videos I've done for the little mods, simple mods, cheap mods that I did just recently on this car, from the cosmetic sense, internally and externally, inside and outside of the car basically. So stay tuned. Until next time, thank you.